Photography is everywhere in our lives, and that's a pretty interesting thing.
So there are loads of reasons why a student should come to USW to study photography.
The course gives people a really solid visual grounding.
Facilities we've got here are genuinely amazing.
Absolute top for Wales and some of the best UK-wide. We're not tied to one brand of cameras or equipment. We have invested across all key brands.
We've got two amazing, really different studios which tailor to different areas of photography. We've got two digital suites. One is an editing suite and one is a print room. Printing facilities here are amazing. We've got some really good industry links. Some of those are further afield, but importantly, we've got really good links in Cardiff.
Naturally, some of our students will be more drawn towards commercial careers, but also writers or curators, work as project managers or educators, and our alumni, are there to prove that.
Photography at USW provides you with the tools to both read and create imagery that can be applied to so many different career paths.
Is a place to come and find yourself, find your vision, find a way of translating the world as you see it into your own images, supported by a team of staff who are passionate educators.